In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira service management space safely and correctly. We'll walk through the process step by step, taking it slowly so you understand not just what to click, but what each step actually does. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and that you have the right permissions to manage or administer the project you want to remove. If you don't have those permissions, you may not see some of the options I'll mention. First, open your browser and go to the For You page in Jira. This is your personalized landing area where Jira surfaces projects, queues, and items that are most relevant to you. If you're already somewhere else in Jira, you can usually get back to this area from the main navigation, often via the Jira logo or a For You link in the sidebar or top menu, depending on your setup. Once you're on the For You page, look for the highlighted project or service desk space that you want to work with. In our case, we're focusing on a Jira service management project. Click on the highlighted element that represents that project. This might be a card, a link, or a tile that Jira is surfacing for you. The idea is to open the project you're planning to delete. After clicking that first highlight, you'll be taken deeper into the Jira interface where you'll see more detailed options related to that project. Here you may see another highlighted area that leads you specifically into the service desk or project summary view. Go ahead and click on that highlight as well. This should bring you into the main summary page for the selected service management project. On the project summary page, you're now in the right place to manage this space. Look for the highlighted option that opens the project or space settings. Depending on your configuration, this could appear as a settings icon, an options menu, or a link within the sidebar. Click on that highlighted settings area to access administrative options for this service desk project. Within the settings or administration view, you'll see the option to delete the space. Look for the delete space action, which should be clearly labeled. Click on Delete Space. At this point, Jira will usually prompt you to confirm your decision, often warning you that this action is permanent and may remove associated issues, configurations, or data. Read that message carefully. If you're absolutely sure this is the correct space and you've backed up anything important or confirmed it's no longer needed, proceed with the confirmation. Once you confirm, Jira will process the deletion, and that service management space will be removed from your instance. That's all there is to it. Starting from the For You page, drilling into the highlighted project, opening its summary and settings, and finally choosing to delete the space with full confirmation.